What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to apply the feather in Photopea. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do here, you can visit this photopea.com, and after that you can start to open your picture here. Click open, and for example I will choose or select this picture, and this will be uploaded into this section. Basically, if you would like to create the feather effect, which means it will soften the edge of this photo guys. And for example, I will select the main object of this photo using this rectangle tool. For example, like this. And after that, you can also adjust the feather that you would like to put into this photo or the object. For example, you can put it into 70, or I will try here 60 pixels. And after that, you need to click this add raster mask, and there you go. This will be the feather effect that you can use into this picture guys. Or you can also create this feather effect with the ellipse tool. And you can also adjust the position of the selection. And for example, you can change this feather, let's say, to become 30, and again adjust this at raster mask, and this will be the result guys. And you can also move this object up and down using this moving tool. So that's all guys. This is the feather effect that you can use and apply in this Photopea, and don't worry because this is 100% for free and online. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this feather effect. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.